Let's take a look at the best new STL files that have hit the web this week. First up is a missile toad, and what more do you need to know? It's a missile with a toad underneath it. I like how the missiles can be printed a separate color, and both the frog and the missiles could be printed very easily. Next, we have a tool to help kids understand fractions with a box and some slices or discs. I think this would be a really useful tool, and it's super easy to print too. A lot of kids are visual learners, so having something tangible to assist in learning could be huge. Now we have a cute, very detailed Baby Yoda separated into 8 different parts. This is a more elaborate print, but its detail and fun concept makes this a great print. Each part looks easy to print, and although assembly is required, with these separate parts it shouldn't be too bad. You can also print each part in the correct color, and then just paint the details as you need. Now this is probably my favorite print this week. Bomb Tissue Box. This thing is awesome. It's in multiple parts, but each one is easy as pie to print, and you don't need a dual extruder printer. You can print simply in black and white parts, do the very minimal assembly, and then you have an adorable, cool little tissue holder. Now we have a print-in-place gingerbread man. I like how he has some minimal movements, how you can have a single STL file, and that there are no supports needed. This is a very easy print and an easy make, perfect for stocking stuffers, ornaments, or decorations. The only downside is that you do need to pay $2 for the file. If you're in the mood for a super awesome Christmas print and one that's a bit more complex, this mechanical box is perfect. It looks amazing and it is perfect for a gift. Most of the complex parts are print in place, so it's not too bad, but you will need a well-calibrated machine, some patience, and $1.50 for the STL file. The final piece today is a Stormtrooper Christmas hat keychain, which is actually pretty cool even though I don't even like Star Wars. This is a fairly simple to print and would make for a great decoration, trinket, or stocking stuffer. It's only 50 cents and should be straightforward to print with no assembly. You will have to paint the details though. I would suggest printing this in white and then coloring in the hat and the black portions of the mask. Thank you for watching. I hope you found some of these interesting. Let me know what you may print, and we'll see you next week.